Okay, so in this video, we will see how to create a register for a website, a free website where we can do our sessions and programs. Now, InfinityFree.com is one of those websites, but there are many others like Heroku. Even GoDaddy gives you a 1 month or 2 months free. So any of those you can try. Okay, so the first thing, you'd come to InfinityFree.com, register, give your email address, password, confirm your password, and sign up. So I tried to, although it's showing Gmail, I already tried to create one with my Yahoo account. Once you click on sign up, it'll actually it'll send you an email so that you can verify your email address. And once you verify, your account would be created. So I'm going to, because I tried Yahoo actually, so once you come back after verifying, you would click on sign in, and let's say I go to yahoo.com and I'll say sign in. So once you are in the website, you will actually have to create an account, right? So that was an account for Infinity Free, but now inside they want you to create another account. I think there are 3 accounts which are free. So let's create an account and close any of the ads. Now this is where it's showing there is a $0 which is free. You don't get a few things, but I think for our testing, it should be fine. We don't get PHP mail support, but for our program, we won't be doing mail. We'll only use PHP. So let's go ahead and create an account. This is where your website would be called whatever name you give here, .infinityfreeapp.com. So I'm going to call it Vidish, or whatever name you want to give. So that's available. Domain name. It'll give you an account. Account username is automatically created, but you'll also get an account password. So I would say keep that account password in somewhere. Make sure you have that ready. And let's go ahead, create, actually also copy this because this is your website, right? So let's get that. And then let's go ahead, create the account. Email consent field is required. Let's see. I approve, verify I'm human. Actually, now if you see the password has changed, so we need to make sure we get the correct password. So to that, create account. So this is your account for the website. And if you see, it also gave you a username. So make sure you get all of these things copied somewhere, right? So this is our username. And again, if you are using some other website, that is fine also, right? So let's then go ahead and open control panel. So on the control panel, this is cpanel, so you can keep this URL also. So let me actually get that URL. Okay, so this is our cpanel. This is where we will be uploading our files using PHP MyAdmin, etc. So two main things here, file manager and PHP MyAdmin is what we will use. So if we go to file manager, this is where we will be saving our files. And if you look here, actually we'll be saving it under HD docs. This is where files should be uploaded. There is an upload button here. So once we create HTML and PHP files, we'll use this for uploading the files and testing our website. Additionally, The other one we want to make sure is this PHP myadmin. So I'm going to open it in new tab. So currently there is no database created. We can do this here. So first time we will create a database. The new database is this, and let's call it VMS, right? For our own database, you would say create database. Now, the main thing here is we have to copy all this also. This is your DB name. So let's keep here. So, okay, let me actually make DB. So our DB name is this. The SQL username, and we'll have to use all of these. So I'll show you later, but you need to get all of this information. There will be a panel password, and then the host name is this. So need to copy all this because these will be different for your own databases. Now, within a database, we also need to have PHP myadmin. If you click on that, this is where we will create our tables, etc. So you can copy this URL also, so that next time we get into this creating the database, this is where you would go. And for copying files, we saw we were going to the file manager. Okay, so this is what we will need to continue the rest of the course. I will send this video to you guys to make sure you have all this ready. Thanks.